Hello, welcome to another repair show with iRepairO. Today we have an iPhone SE2020 water damage which is turning on but doesn't give access to the phone. I'm gonna open it up and see what it's inside. I'm not gonna test it, I just want to have a quick inside before we maybe mess more up, and yeah, let's go. So, phone is already on the heating platform, screws are out. Let's get underneath, get rid of that display. This guy seems cactus anyway. Maybe the problem isn't liquid. Maybe the problem is just a broken display. We have a nice hole here. Okay. Okay, we see a little bit of liquid residue here. It's a bit, is it dark? Seems a bit dark here. Okay. Okay. Zoom in a little bit more. Yeah, as you can see, we have liquid. Quick look. Okay, doesn't smell like pee-pee. It's good. Quick look under the microscope. First, I'll take the whole assembly off. Just wants data. Here, the display, the device is in a state where, well, it depends on the how much liquid damage we have. If it's very lightly, does it say okay, chances I can fix it and it doesn't come back are good, then we're gonna fix it. Otherwise, we're just gonna save the data. Click, disconnect battery, second connector from below, speaker, front cam. Okay, I can have a look under the microscope and see if we can find any liquid. I hope the audio is okay. I'm experimenting a little bit. I'm recording on 2 microphones, so it's kind of stereo. Should be. So we have some cactus here. What's that? Pieces of chopper. Very dusty. Not really much. Over here we have a little bit of rust again. Is that rust? Looks funny, kind of. Well, I think this is normal, but it looks strange anyway. This factory. I mean, you have the dot welding here at the bottom. Never experienced that. interesting. So let's move on. Connectors. Here we have a little bit of a missing corner from that IC. The picture is upside down. I don't want that microscope. Can turn it now while I'm recording. Okay. Yeah, not much happening here. So this is really, I can't see anything on the downside, so not bothering about taking the board out. I'm going to take the SIM tray out. Just have a look on the SIM tray area, and yeah, assembled in China we have here. Tells us that it's an SE, I think. Let's see here on the dock. Well, I don't care about that for now. Well, looks very clean. To me. Huh. I thought we would have something a little bit more interesting, but I guess this is just a faulty screen by the looks of it. By the look of it, some other stuff here, very clean. It's a bit off here. No, really not much going on here. Boring. Is this glue? Glue. There's no liquid in there. Just where the damage was here. That's it. Is that all we get? Looks like it. Have here this stripe, so now in this area there's been no water. SIM tray. A stripe here. Okay. Just glue. No, nothing. Okay. Tell me that this is just a broken display. Okay. iPhone SE2020. That one here, which is working. Test that. I didn't test if it's even turning on. Just because a customer says it's turning on doesn't mean it turns really on. Okay, the battery is drained. Let's charge it up. Trying to charge it. No charging current. Okay, device is in. Okay. What have they done? Device is not charging because in DFU, well, it's probably charging, but I can see it with this crappy meter from Mechanic. Let's try something trusted. Give me a second. Just give me a second. Like there's something nearby, but I don't have anything nearby. What's that? Some sparks. Zero 0.15. Zero 0.16. Okay. Yeah, can't do anything. Now we're in the view mode. The only thing we can do to get the data back is try to update the device. Not reset it, update. If that fails, then we may have a problem. So we're going to start iTunes. Cable. Update. We want to click on updates. Can I show you that? Ooh, maybe. Yeah. So I'm going to click on update. For a serial number, which is kind of good. Update. I could try to get out of view mode. It's probably not going to work. We'll see. So now we're just going to wait until everything is downloaded. Let's try. Quick bottom up, bottom down, and power. Until we restart. Nope. Check. Be connected. So that's again. 1, 2, 3. Just reset. Whoops. Can force the reset while connected. button is not working. Okay. Oof. Probably that could be a reason, because we're constantly in the view. I don't think that I have Jesus, how do I get out of this? I don't know if it's in the SE the same. If you wait long enough, then it will kick itself out of the avenue. So I'm gonna try that. Do we have audio? I hope so. Okay, we're gonna disconnect the power button. Because it looks like it's constantly pressed, so because of the liquid damage. Still have a quick look just to see how everything looks good. Okay, microscope, what's going on? Microscope is frozen. Okay. So we have absolute no liquid here, so I don't think that we're going to see anything. Well, liquid can be on the button itself here. Where is it? There it is. Could have some liquid here. So, disconnected. Okay, now let's complete it again. No, Carrie! No, no DFU. Tricks. These iPhones are playing tricks on us. That's rude. That's really rude and cruel. Okay. Touch is working. I have no pin code, but I have a background, but we don't see anything. It's okay. There's some Batman in the back, red man, super red man in the background. Okay, that's how simple it can get. We get almost tricked by the DFU mode because the power button has an issue and is constantly pressed, so it puts you directly into DFU mode. Normally it takes also another volume button to get into DFU mode. Don't ask me, maybe we have also some issues with that. Oh, cannot. Come on. Well, I can test the home buttons. It doesn't matter. Yeah, all buttons seem to have some issues, so that's the end of the video. We're gonna get the data. That was a video one. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.